Welcome back to MonarcoLab, where time stands still and memories whisper through the dust of forgotten treasures. Today, we're diving into history as we restore a 65 to 75-year-old army knife. Nestled in the palms of our hands lies a testament to craftsmanship and endurance, an aged blade, weathered by decades of use, bearing the scars of its journey. As we trace the lines etched by time, we are reminded of the hands that once wielded this blade, the stories it silently holds within its steel. From the battlefields where it served alongside a military man to the quiet moments of retirement, this knife has witnessed the trials and triumphs of its owner's journey. But time has taken its toll, leaving this once proud tool worn and weary. Yet, amidst the rust and neglect, lies the promise of restoration, a chance to honor the legacy of craftsmanship and preserve the essence of bygone eras. As we start fixing up this old knife, the first hurdle we face is the rust and dirt that have built up over the years. It's like it's been sealed shut by time itself. After struggling for over 20 minutes, we finally managed to pry it open, showing just how long it's been since it last saw the light of day. Once we get it open, we see just how worn out it is, covered in a thick layer of rust that's dulled its shine. Join us as we embark on this voyage of renewal, breathing new vigor into this venerable artifact and uncovering the timeless beauty hidden beneath the layers of neglect. Together, let us delve into the heart of history as we resurrect a piece of the past and celebrate the enduring spirit of craftsmanship. So, we bring out our rotary drill tools to start the hard work of bringing it back to life. Now, let's dive into the first step of the restoration process, removing that thick layer of rust. First try was using the sandpaper bit, but it was really not handling the rust at all. So we start by using a rotary drill with a wired professional rust remover bit. We begin with a special bit designed to get rid of rust, but even that has a tough time with how much there is. Not giving up, we switch to sandpaper to keep going. Each rub is a small step towards making this old knife shine again. But the rust is really stubborn, so we switch to stone bits with water to help smooth it out. With every pass, the blade starts to look sharper, like it's waking up from a long sleep. As the day winds down, we start to see the beauty hiding beneath all that rust. Chiseling away at the stubborn decay. Even after that, there's still some rust clinging on, so we switch to sandpaper, carefully rubbing away the remaining rust until the blade starts to show its original shine. With the rust mostly gone, it's time to uncover what lies beneath. We use stone blending bits on the rotary drill, gently grinding away any lingering imperfections left by the rust. This helps smooth out the surface even further, revealing the true beauty of the blade underneath. that the blade is looking much better, but we're not done just yet. The back handle part of the knife also needs some attention. We start by using different types of sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and imperfections in the metal. It's meticulous work, but it's necessary to ensure the handle looks as good as the blade. Dear viewers, I hope this message finds you well. As the creator behind the MonarcoLab channel, I am incredibly grateful for your ongoing support and interest in my craft and restoration videos. Your views, likes, and comments mean the world to me, and I am continuously inspired by your enthusiasm for the work I do. Today, I come to you with a humble request. As you may know, creating these artisanal videos, whether it's restoring vintage knives or crafting new pieces of art, requires a significant investment of time, effort, and resources. While I am fortunate to have other sources of income to sustain my livelihood, the expenses incurred in producing these videos can add up quickly. That's why I am reaching out to you, my valued audience, to kindly consider supporting my channel in a tangible way. By subscribing to MonarcoLab and encouraging others to do the same, you not only help boost my channel's visibility, but also contribute to covering the costs associated with acquiring tools, materials, and equipment necessary for creating quality content. I also understand that my work may not be perfect in the eyes of every viewer, and I welcome your honest feedback. Your input will help me better understand your expectations and preferences, allowing me to continuously strive for improvement in future videos. Your subscription not only shows your appreciation for the content I create, but also serves as a vote of confidence in the value of craftsmanship and artistry in our digital age. Additionally, your feedback and suggestions are invaluable to me as they guide me in improving and evolving my content to better serve your interests and preferences. While I do not rely solely on YouTube earnings for my livelihood, your support in helping my videos generate revenue is deeply appreciated. It allows me to reinvest in my channel, explore new techniques, and continue bringing you engaging and inspiring content week after week. In conclusion, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being a part of the MonarcoLab community. Your support fuels my passion for craftsmanship and motivates me to strive for excellence in every video I create. Together, let's embark on this journey of creativity, discovery, and shared appreciation for the art of restoration and craftsmanship. Thank you for considering my request, and I look forward to your continued support. Now that the blade is looking much better, it's time to give it that final touch. We polish every inch of the blade using specialized polish materials, bringing out its natural luster and shine. Each stroke of the cloth is like bringing the blade back to life, restoring its former glory. With some polish, the knife starts to gleam like it used to. There's still work to do. We turn our attention to the wooden part of the handle. The handle has seen better days. So, we carefully replace the damaged parts with new wood, giving the knife back its old charm. Using new wood sticks, we carefully cut and shape them using a manual handsaw. Once we have the basic shape, we use rotary engraving and sharpening bits to refine the details and give it that authentic look of the original handle. And now, after days of hard work and dedication, our restoration is complete. It's been a tough journey, with drills needing new parts and sandpaper getting worn out. But through it all, we've managed to bring this old knife back to life. It's a reminder that with a little patience and dedication, even the oldest relics can shine again. To showcase the knife in all its glory, we place it on a spinning product showcase, with a beautiful black cloth underneath to highlight its stunning presentation.